Okay, so while that's cooking, you'll probably want to start after maybe about 20 minutes, and you'll want to start preparing the noodles. So you need a pot. It doesn't have to be this large. You don't have to make a lot of noodles, just for whoever you're, however many people you're cooking for. So it will take a while to get this going, but once it's cooked, you can kind of leave it sitting for a while. So we might as well do it while we're waiting for everything in the oven there. Okay. So you want to fill it about maybe 3-4 inches of water in the bottom. Turn on your stove, turn it right up to high, making sure you're kind of using whatever element is the best match to the size of the pot. Take some salt. It can be regular salt, of course. It doesn't have to be this sea salt. Maybe a tablespoon, add it to the water. Take a spoon and carefully stir it around, just to help it dissolve a bit. So the water should be kind of almost like seawater in terms of the level of saltiness. Okay, so these noodles, these are called egg noodles. You can find these at every grocery store. They are usually to the side of the regular pasta aisle. Sorry, they're in the pasta aisle, but to the side of the regular pasta display. So you'll see things like spaghetti, rigatoni, stuff like that, all the dry pasta. And then usually to the left side of it, you'll see some clear packages, often of egg noodles. So it looks like this. And this is the best match for kind of, if you want something aside from rice you can have with a lot of different meals. This is a really good option. It cooks pretty quickly, and it is a good addition to most things that you might be cooking. So what we want to do is wait till we get this completely boiled. So cover it to get it moving. Make sure it's high. You'll need a larger bowl that you can put this pasta in while you're waiting for everything else to finish. So I'd suggest starting by, again, taking a little bit of olive oil, not too much, just a little, it's probably half a teaspoon, and just want to coat the bottom a bit, and this is to prevent the pasta from sticking. So once you actually do have it cooked, we're going to pour it, we're going to drain it, pour it back in here while it's still hot, and then toss it just a little bit just to get some oil covering the noodles so that they're not sticking together, because when you leave noodles too long they'll just kind of clump together and you won't be able to use them. So you kind of have to work with them right away after you drain them. So we're going to do that in preparation. So now we're still going to be waiting a little bit for our chicken in the oven, but we'll get ready to put in our noodles soon after that.